Her chaps are strapped and her spurs are sharp. Chef Maggie Norris with Whisked Way Cooking School.
My spurs are chef.
Your spurs are chef and sharp. Okay, our pizza looking great out of the oven. Now it's time for dessert for our skillet meals.
Okay, so I have sauteed peaches. I did about 5. You can do nectarines also in here. And then I put some brown sugar in here to make like a syrup.
Gotcha.
I'm gonna add some vanilla, probably like about a tablespoon. You can eyeball it. And I'm gonna mix that up. And if you can try, like mix that up for me, and spoon maybe like a tablespoon of the syrup into here, but that's it, just the syrup.
Gosh, this smells good with the vanilla extract.
Vanilla really makes a lot of dishes. So we don't need too much of it, it's just to garnish. And then in here, I have oatmeal, I have 2 eggs, I have flour, and I have brown sugar. This is for the top, the cookie part that's actually going on top.
Like a crumble?
It's gonna be more like a cookie.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So then I have baking soda and salt, and I have canola oil. And I'm gonna pour this in, and then, so you don't have to do it in stages, you can just dump everything in. I'm gonna mix it well.
And about a tablespoon, is that enough?
Yeah, that's perfect, because really, that's our caramel sauce to put on it at the end, because we're gonna serve it with vanilla ice cream.
Delicious.
So I'm mixing this together so that it's well blended. And then we have sliced almonds. You can do chunky almonds too. Go ahead and add those in there for me. And white chocolate chips.
About a cup of white chocolate chips?
Yep.
There
we go. In there. You can do chunks of chocolate. Chunks of the white, if you get the bar, you can cut it up
just
too.
kind of break it up.
So I'm gonna bring this back over here. And notice this is not a cast iron skillet. You don't have to go out and purchase a cast iron skillet to do skillet meals.
Don't do a non-stick, do it.
Correct. You want something that's gonna go into the oven. Then I'm gonna get my hands dirty here. And I am just gonna kind of like smash it together and lay it on top.
Can I like kind of dump it on and then spread it, or no?
You can. Go ahead, and I'll just kind of smash it in. You just like the down and dirty. Like, how do I get
We're doing cowboy style. Let's just
how do
dump
I get this finished? And so you want to just kind of smash it on me. That'll work.
You're gonna wear this.
And then we're gonna put it in the oven. It should go in at about 350. In maybe like 20 minutes until it's nice and golden brown. It's better to have it a little bit undercooked than overcooked. You don't want it dry.
You don't want it dry.
Yeah, exactly.
I cannot wait to try this. This looks absolutely unbelievable. We'll put it in the oven.
Yes.
And if you want this recipe at home for yourself, just head to our website. Bad guys, beware. Chef Maggie Norris with Whisked Way Cooking School never misses what's cooking now.
Oh, that's good. That's real good. We've got you. Yeah, you were always blazing hot, guns blazing. So we have our skillet cookie that came out really well,
delicious.
Nice and brown, and you can see like the white chocolate in there.
Looks so good, Maggie.
So now we're gonna just serve it up. So you have to be so careful. It's just instinct when you see a pot handle to pull it out.
Yes,
you
so you
just
put
to
tips
touch
over it so I wouldn't burn myself.
Exactly.
Thank you.
So you would try and do that at home too, because it really is. I've had a couple students burn themselves doing just that. So
what a fun cooking school you have.
I know, it's punishment. So for when things don't turn out well. So this is our ice cream now. It's soft serve now, but hey, it's gonna.
It should be nice and frozen. We had it sitting out for a little bit.
Yeah, you know what? I don't think anybody's going to complain when they eat it, actually.
Okay, and then quickly, how do we top this with the sauce that we took out before we put in the oven?
That's it. This is it.
Boom, put that. And then our pizza we have that's gorgeous. You just popped it out, put a little garnish of basil.
I did. Yep. Super easy to get out if you did that oil in the pan. And then, who are we kidding with the forks? You're probably just going to pick it up and eat it.
Yeah, right? Yeah. We're on the open trail.
We are.
Maggie, thank you so much. And I always love when you're here. And if you want to try these recipes at home for yourself or at your campsite, just head to our website.